Did you know that most pet emergencies happen when you least expect them? It's a startling fact, but one that every pet owner should keep in mind. Our furry friends are curious creatures, always exploring, sniffing, and tasting the world around them. This curiosity, though endearing, can sometimes lead them into trouble. A simple walk in the park could turn into a distressing ordeal if your pet steps on a sharp object, gets bitten by an insect, or suffers a heat stroke. Similarly, a quiet evening at home could be disrupted by a sudden burn from a knocked-over candle or a cut from a broken glass. These unexpected emergencies can be frightening, but having a pet first aid kit on hand can make all the difference. It's your first line of defense, providing immediate relief and buying crucial time until professional help can be sought. Being prepared is key to ensuring your pet's safety during these unexpected emergencies. So, what does being prepared look like? It starts with having a well-equipped pet first aid kit. Let's talk about some of the essential items it should include. First, bandages. They are crucial for stemming bleeding and protecting wounds. Next, antiseptic wipes. These little heroes sanitize cuts or scrapes, preventing infections. Tweezers are also a must-have. They help in removing splinters or ticks with precision, causing minimal discomfort to your pet. Now, a pet-specific thermometer. Why specific? Because our furry friends have different normal temperature ranges than humans. Having one on hand can quickly help you determine if your pet has a fever. Lastly, don't forget to include emergency contact numbers, your vet, the nearest animal hospital, and a poison control hotline. In the heat of the moment, having these numbers readily available can be a real lifesaver. Having these items at your disposal can make all the difference when your pet is in distress. But having a first aid kit is not enough. Knowing how to use it effectively is just as important. You see, in the face of an emergency, it's not just about having the right tools, but also about wielding them with knowledge and confidence. Imagine a situation where your pet has a cut. You've got the bandages and antiseptic wipes at the ready, but do you know the proper way to clean the wound or to wrap the bandage? Or what if your pet has a sudden fever? Sure, you have a pet-specific thermometer, but do you know the normal temperature range for your pet? This is where having a plan comes into play. It's about understanding the basics of pet first aid, being familiar with the items in your kit, and knowing when to seek professional help. Don't hesitate to ask your vet or a pet care expert for advice. Remember, in an emergency, every second counts, so it's vital to know what to do and how to do it quickly. In conclusion, an emergency pet first aid kit is more than just a box of supplies. It's a lifeline for your pet when they need it the most. From common emergencies like cuts and insect bites to severe situations like burns, having a pet first aid kit on hand can make a world of difference. But having the kit isn't enough. Knowing how to use the items effectively is vital. It's the difference between panic and calm, between confusion and confidence. It's the difference between precious seconds lost and immediate life-saving action. So let's be proactive. Let's equip ourselves with the knowledge and tools we need to protect our pets in any situation. If you're unsure about any item or procedure, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Preparation could be the key to saving your pet's life. So why not start assembling your pet first aid kit today? Share your experiences in the comments below, and do subscribe for more pet care tips.